Just now I finished correcting a composition by a student from Popol 6 Girls School. The topic is a wonderful one. It deals with an almost impossible situation. I wouldn't say impossible, but it's possible but improbable. It's about a very old man or an elderly woman looking back to many years ago when she was, or he or she, when he or she was a secondary school student, a teenager, a 13-year-old or a 15-year-old. So there were some regrets. And one day she came to know that a certain thing could help her return to her mother's school in the capacity of, in the guise of a teenager. So what is that? It's a replica of her face, a very high-tech face mask. So just now I finished correcting the essay of this student. If you're at DSA level, please watch this video. You may be able to learn something. And if you unfortunately have the same problem as hers, you better take remedial action before it is too late. I'm Peter Chow. English writing is my business. I may be able to help you. I'm looking at your composition. Yes, returning to school. I'm starting from line A. When I went back home,個 sit 如果你係 Form 6嘅話咧，你個 sit 嗰字 past tense 唔識串啦。咁呢個我唔知反映咗乜嘢嚇。Because this is an impossible situation， 因為冇可能方式真係唔識串嗰個 sit 嗰個句式嚇。An advertisement was luring my eyes。個 lure 冇錯係梗係吸引啊，但係佢同個 eyes 其實即係你個 lure my eyes 嘅，我都未見過啲英文，我覺得唔係一個啱嘅 collocation 啊，或者唔係一個自然嘅 collocation 嘅配搭。咁同埋冇理由用個進行式㗎，即係你一注意到就注意到㗎啦。An advertisement caught my eyes，caught 啊 C-A-U-G-H-T 你咧要一路聽咧，一路去做改正啊 ，OK。並且係同時候訓練你嘅聽力嚇。好，咁就 an impulse was running out 呢啲英文就錯晒㗎啦嚇。impulse 即係雖然衝動，有一個衝動想出去，而家唔係個衝動想出去，係你想出去係嘛？你想即刻走出去買個咁嘅 mask 啊，同埋你後面話咧我想出去落訂買，你落訂買個 mask， 你根本就唔使出去啦，你就喺屋企嗰個電腦嗰度做啦，係嘛？或者電話嗰度做啦。好啦，咁所以咧就 我將佢改做咧，即係我俾嗰個，即係我有咩衝動啊，俾個衝動捉住啊。I was gripped 緊握 I was gripped by the impulse to 乜嘢啊 ？Place an order 落訂啊 ，place an order for tailor-made mask。好。我用綠色 highlight pen 咧就點嗰件 in front of me 咧個 front 都串錯，咁呢個咧我就唔會串俾你聽啊，你自己搞掂佢啦嚇 ，OK？ 你彈嘢搞唔掂嘅話咧，你真係想去考 DSE 咧就攞 level 1係咪啦？你 level 1啦，你走去考郵差佢都唔侵你玩啊 ！I wore the face mask wear 嘅過去識唔識串？呢個真係一個 impossible 嘅事嚟㗎嚇，即係I wish you the best of luck 咁，但係 但係即係你都要好認真去正視呢個問題啊！呢啲英文唔應該到而家即係仲有唔夠1年嘅時候咧，係會點解會錯翻呢啲咧？I went back to school on the first day. I met my past English teacher. English teacher 咧個 Miss Wang 前後有2個 comma in the corridor。佢令我想起我呢個好曳嘅英文喎嚇。你係將個中文咧就直一個字咁譯做英文。Brought me 咧係帶你去係嘛？咁你都可以用個 bring 嘅，但係你要改好多啦，係嘛 ？She brought me remembering the old day 咧，就係一個好典型嘅中文咧，就累死咗英文嘅句子啦，係嘛？即係你中文一個字譯出嚟，咁就以為個英文都係咁講。方式咧就其實應該咧係個英文叫 You should be past that 啦，唔應該即係你會超越咗，唔應該方式就會錯呢啲嘢㗎嚇。咁但係你可以用個 bring 字去改嘅，喺我筆下，即係喺我嘅世界入邊，乜嘢都可以用英文可以改到係嘛？我用翻你個字咧，咪用個 it 咯，唔係用個 shoe 喎。It brought back memories of the old days， 並且唔係 day 添啊，係 days 啊。It brought back memories，memories 啊，回憶嗰個名詞啦 ，memories of the old days。Her wrinkles were 嗱嗰啲 wrinkles 咧唔會 radiate 㗎嚇，即係你係將一啲咧2個字一夾埋就用係嘛？Radiate 係散發一啲光彩啊！我哋未聽過啲人咧皺紋咧係散發一啲光彩啊！世界上只得一個人咧嗰啲面上皺紋係散發光彩，就係 Peter Chan 係嘛？所以啲人唔啱嘅。However， 雖然佢係有皺紋，但係佢係好優雅係嘛 ？In spite of 我諗你識㗎啦 ，in spite of 啊嚇 ，spite 啊 ，in spite of her wrinkles, she was graceful。尤其是咧，我都講過啦，如果要有個策略去點樣保持自己咧，即係唔會失太多分啦。對於嗰啲即係英文嗰個 level 係唔穩定嘅同學，咁喺度我都要講一講俾你聽啦。Because you are one of my favourite students。你可能係我教咁多個最蠢嘅學生，但係好不幸地咧係我最喜歡嘅學生之一，係嘛？咁所以我都不厭其煩啦，咁同你講多次啦，係嘛？你要如果自己情況唔穩定嘅時候咧，你出去考試咧，你更加係要點咧？你係要避開一啲咧，即係高危字。嗱，咩叫高危字咧？即係你會識，但係你知道你自己都唔係會用得啱，或者用得啱嘅機會好低嘅。咁你我成日講我唔用嗰啲，我點啊？英文一定有代替品噶嘛，用啲最淺嘅方法，最穩陣，最淺嘅方法最穩陣，係嘛？如果話咁咁如果我最淺嘅我諗唔到咧，我淨係諗到深嗰個唔 sure 嗰個咧，仲有方法唔寫咯，唔寫嗰樣嘢咯，避開佢咯，係嘛？好似你行路咁，係嘛？你喺保祿嗰度放學，係嘛？行下見到嗰條前面有隻惡狗，係嘛？咁你咪行第2條路咯，係嘛？你一樣可以翻到屋企噶。嗱，嗰個比喻係咁啊嚇，你可以用個 reappearing 啦，重新現咗出嚟啦 ，were reappearing on my face。嗱，呢個咧其實我覺得咧就你搞亂咗啲嘢，因為其實嗰個面罩從來就冇 promise 過你咧，話你係會令到你嗰啲皺紋係退卻嘅，係嘛？佢嗰啲唔係皺紋膏嚟噶嘛，大佬，佢個面具嚟噶嘛，所以你啲皺紋一路都有嘅，係嘛？咁所以我覺得呢度係 content 呢度你冇乜 sense 咯，因為我睇落去啦。嗱，呢度咧，即係正如我所講啦，係不合邏輯啦，係咪？即係嗰個係一個面具，都話唔係嗰啲形容嗰啲藥物啦。I look at the instructions of the lifeline mass, reading each line carefully. Reading each line carefully 應該係 comma 喎，係屬於前句喎。Finally there was a small line 好細嘅一行 ，a small line on the bottom of the page. This product will expire in 唔會話 on the next month 啦 ，will expire after a month 啦，好嗎？咁樣。咁兜唔兜到咧？咁你可以同我拗嘅咯，阿 Sir。咁嗰個產品咁佢可能只能夠用1個月，1個月之後咧就遮唔到你嗰啲皺紋。咁我諗咁樣講好牽強啦，佢起碼都係塊皮嚟嘅啫，係嘛？咁樣。咁 anyway 我哋唔好拗呢啲啦，係嘛？即係我唔講呢啲啦，我飲睇古怪怪英文啲，我已經可以。可以用國安法告你啦！我都後面用個 comma， 你咪想死啊！我覺得你係有需要係上嗰個上多堂嗰個作文班，當然啦，即係學費嗰啲我哋好有分數啦，係就實體班咁嚟啦，最好實體班嚟啦，如果唔係可能我哋有個 Zoom class 講完。